Arvada Fire and the Westminster Fire Department are facing off for a friendly showdown this November. Introducing the Great Turkey Gaggle, a turkey drive sponsored by local businesses with the support of 2 neighboring fire departments. Both fire departments are getting ready to rally their community behind this great cause. And we even met up to shake hands and promise a friendly competition. Now let's hear from Brian with Excalibur Outreach, the event sponsor and organizer.
So I want to introduce everybody to the 2023 Turkey Gaggle between Arvada Fire Department and Westminster Fire Department. Both teams have shook hands. They have agreed to abide by the rules. Our goal is to collect 500 turkeys at this event, so we want everybody to come out and represent for your city. We'll be out here at the Appliance Factory store from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. on Saturday, November 11th, so come by and see us. Westminster Fire Department will be here the entire time, along with Arvada Fire Department. We'll have hot chocolate, raffle prizes, hot wings for you to sample, and at 2 o'clock we'll have our hot wing eating contest between these 2 fire departments.
Bring a frozen turkey for a donation and stick around for some fun and games. That's on Saturday, November 11th from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. in front of Appliance Factory on West 88th Avenue. Thank you for helping us support families in need this Thanksgiving.